Okay, guys, I have some football box. I had to tear it open because I didn't want to be on the thing for like 10 hours just trying to open it. And then I have 2 Diamond Kings baseball. One over here, one over here. 2 Diamond Kings baseball. I'm probably going to open one of the Diamond Kings. But yeah, so we got a Texas A&M pack and LSU, hoping for either Joe Burrow out of this and probably like a Johnny Manziel out of this or something, or Kellen Mond or whatever his name is. Okay, so first card, Alonzo Mays. Oh, we got a giant, Ike Hillard. Sure you guys can see it. Then Elor, I have no clue. Joe Nash. Rookie. Doesn't even show his name. Playoff Hardy Nelson, okay. Andre Hastings. Ooh, look at this card. Okay, come on. Give me something. Torrance Small? Bro, I don't know these dudes. Sean Bateman, rookie from this year, 2021. Rashawn Bateman. Come on, give me another rookie. Olaj Griffin, I have no clue. K. Johnson. Come on. Ooh, Joseph Osei. I have no clue. Kenny Randall. I know him. Who's next? Brandon Stockley. Curtis Lofton. Kenny Phillips. Come on, give me something. Chris Johnson, okay. We got this, a nice Topps card. Ooh, Jerome Simpson. Zach Moss, rookie. Colin Johnson, rookie. Jalen Hurts, touchdown. Ooh, Jalen Hurts touchdown card. Ooh. Gabriel Davis. All-American T. Higgins. Oh, I got this bag for $6 at Walgreens. Sheesh. Greg Lloyd and Eric Howard. Yep. All right. That was just the box, and now we're going to open the LSU. Please give me a Joe Burrow. So hard to open. Give me a Joe Burrow, please. Billy Hart, then George. I have no clue. Bro, who are these people? Terry Robb, Wendell Harris, Kenny Cons, Steve Cassidy, Alex Ball Stadium, and Billy Hart. Darn it, bro. No Joe Burrow. Now the Texas A&M pack. I mean, like, Johnny Football would be nice. Johnny Manziel. Kellen Mond. Baseball also, what the heck? Alex Wilson, I don't know any baseball players. Terry Williams, heard of him. Terrence Frederick. Ryan Tannehill, okay. Another Ryan Tannehill. Jake Matthews, turn that around for you guys. Devon Miller, okay. Travis Lambert. And Alex Wilson, okay. That is the football box. Now let's get on to baseball. Diamond Kings baseball. Never opened Diamond Kings, so I really Amen. Okay. See what we get out of Diamond Kings. Cards feel pretty nice. And I have another one. Probably not going to rip it. Probably just do it on TikTok. I might post this on... Ooh. I thought that was Babe Ruth for a minute. So it was the old Eddie Stink. Bro, I don't know a lot of baseball players. I know some, but I don't know some of these rookies. Key Brian Hayes. Freddie Freeman. Of course I know Freddie Freeman. Daniel Johnson. Trevor Story, of course I know. Don't know. Walter Johnson. Marcell Ozuna. Frank Thomas, of course I know. Frank Thomas, nice. Bryce Harper, baby. Let's go. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's like on the sides. Okay. Rick. Ooh, Legacy. Ooh. Put that to the side. Anthony Rendon. Okay, Jazz. Heard him. Evan White. Jacob deGrom. It's not bad. And Francisco Lindor. The best shortstop in baseball. He's having such an underrated season right now. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, want to take a look at his stats? Oh, they don't have them. All right, highlights of the break. Oh, wait, there's one card I didn't put out to the side that I have to. Because there's some good cards in here. I'm not going to lie. I'm definitely excited for the next one. Okay? At every pack opening, I'm going to just show my best pulls out of it. First, we got to do the T. Higgins All-American card. Second, this is not in order. Jalen Hurts Kings touchdown. I mean, just look at that. Take a moment. So these are the 2 football. And then we have 4 baseball. That was a good baseball pack. We have an Anthony Rendon. We have this Frank Thomas. We have this Legacy Ricky Henderson. And this Juan Soto. Look, it's like different up here. Yeah, and that's the best pulls. I'll put them all next to each other. It's probably not going to fit. Yep, not going to fit. Because you can't even see Jalen. You can literally only see Juan Soto and Ricky Henderson. So, that's the opening. I mean, I'm definitely going to open that Diamond Kings on TikTok. CK Sports Cards. CK Sports Cards is my thing. CK underscore sports underscore cards. Definitely go follow there to watch it. But, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.